Julie Chrisley has been praying. Her family's legal journey has a reason. Julie Chrisley believes her family will eventually be able to come to terms with their recent legal difficulties. Julie Chrisley spoke with husband Todd Chrisley for the Thursday episode of their family's Chrisley Confessions podcast about where her heart and mind are less than a month before she and Todd are expected to report to prison. "I've been reading and praying with my prayer partner, trusting that the path we're all on has a purpose. There is a reason for this," Chrisley knows best star, 49, agreed. She mentioned a Bible verse while discussing a chat with her prayer companion. "She said something to me that caused me to think, on a new level. Even when Mary, as a virgin, became pregnant with a child who was to be the Messiah. When Mary was totally fulfilled, according to the Bible, baby Jesus was born. So I believe a lot of times it's more about our journey getting to where we end up, when we become totally fulfilled," Julie remarked. Julie subsequently remarked, "We must go back in time and prepare ourselves to see that there are times in our lives when we must wait. We cannot allow those waiting periods to become a waiting period for waste. It has to be a waiting time in which we will grow. And I feel that true progress comes at the darkest part of the agony," Todd, 53, continued. Julie and Todd were both convicted of bank fraud and tax evasion in June. Todd was sentenced to 12 years in prison in November, while Julie was sentenced to 7 years. Following their release, both Chrisleys were sentenced to an additional 16 months of probation. Todd and Julie were ordered on December 15 to report to a Florida prison on January 17. The Chrisleys have maintained their innocence after being convicted guilty. According to a source close to the Chrisleys, the judge used them as an example. "They've really been leaning into their faith to bring them through," the source added.